through socks. It's life through socks. It's life through socks. It's life through socks.
What's shaking, everybody? It's your favorite YouTuber, TheShizKnits, and we're back. And guess what time it is this time? It's an unsoxing. You can tell by the thumbnail. That's what we're here to do. It's an unsoxing. Episode 2. We're back. Got a new one. And reached out to a company called TheShizKnits. I like the name. It's catchy. You know how it works. You know what it means, but because it's TheShizKnits. Now we're back with TheShizKnits. I don't know what's in here. Just like last time, we're going to figure it out. We're going to bust this box open, and we're going to get to it. This time, I came prepared. I came really prepared. I'm ready for war. So, we know it's socks in here, definitely, so we got to be a little bit on the gentle side. We can't just start slicing away and hoping nothing happens. But, yeah. It's time to open this box and see what we got. Because, again, like I said, I have no clue what's in here. I don't know how many in here, what's in here, what color, pattern. I know nothing about them. This is my first time trying their product. But thanks to them, they sent me these. So we're going to figure it out, see how they're working together. I know I told you about the big boy, but I'm just trying not to cut whatever is in this package. Okay. Done deal. Yeah. You see, I'm the champ. I ain't the world champ yet. I'm baby steps, intercontinental. So, packaging. Bubble wrap. They knew they were sending something good. It feels like there's 2 in here. Don't know. We'll get to it. Box. Oh, they got nice little paper wrapping. There you go. Shiznit. And they got their sticker on it too. That's dope. That's something different. But let's get into the socks. Got them all gift wrapped. Ooh. You know your boy. Oh, they hooked your boy. 1, 2, 3 of these joints. Yo, these is dope. Look at that. Those are dope. And why I'm just having to reach out to the right companies because they know I like this. It's just something little, but they know I like it. That's dope. Like, I'm not even sure how to look at these ones. But go figure. These are dope. Got the hands on, look like a little monster on them. Cool. I'm with it. This one, get pumped. Ha! With the gas station joint, the gas pump. That's dope. Get pumped. I like that. And this one, I'm going to assume that's a flask on this side and some cigars on this side. Cigars. I gave you that Boston accent. Now you know where I'm from. But thanks to Shiznit, they sent me these 3 joints. These 3 joints. If you can help me help you. I want to do a giveaway. I got so many socks that I haven't worn and also that I bought in and socks that I got sent. I still got these. As you can see, I just got them. But I want to do a giveaway. Help me get to 30 subscribers. We hit 20. We're at 21 actually. So thank you for subscribing. Tell your friends, tell your friends' friends, tell your friends' friends. And either way, let somebody else know. But I want to share some goodness with y'all. Some of this sock love, I want to give it back. Because y'all showing it hard. But we got these 3. And you know what time it is. We got to try them on. So let's hit that. As you can see, I went with the get pump joints. But this time, I know it's a little different on the angles. I know y'all like, what is going on with this guy? It's all good. I changed the angle because, it's the Shiznit. So, it's only right. I change it up. Like, it got to be the Shiznit when I'm doing it. It got to be something different. Different angles, different looks. Look at that. You can see it from all different angles. And I know y'all waiting for the sexy music. It's coming. But I just wanted to give my opinion on these. They fit really good. They're comfy. They are definitely fat feet approved. Like 100%. Like, no lie. They fit real good. They breathe. They're not... You can see through them a little bit. I don't know if you can see my toenail. A little zooming. But other than that, they fit really good. They real comfy. And they got the Shiznit on the bottom. So I definitely like that. And we got to get into that sexy music. All right. So it's that time. Yep. There it go. There it go. And hit it. Now, my opinion still stands. I give it a 4.2. These socks are on. I'm still stumbling over my words from when we had the socks on, but they fit good. They smell good. Okay, that was a little creepy, but they look good and they feel good. And I'm like legit like pumped for these socks. These socks are dope. Get pumped. I'm excited about these socks. I definitely want to thank TheShizKnits for sending me these joints. And like I said, if you want these socks, I'm not going to send you these ones. Maybe I'll send you one of these. I got a ton more socks. But help me get to 30 subscribers. If you help me, the 30 subscribers that are on there, I will definitely do a giveaway for a pair of socks. As always, I need you to let me know which ones you like. We're going to go with Get Pumped for number 1. We're going to do the Monster for number 2. I don't know how we're supposed to look at this. It's one of those two ways. Either way. Then, for my partying folks, they got the flask on them and the cigars on them. Cigars. Number 3. Let me know which one you like. My rating is 4.2. I can't do a 0.2 sock emoji, but I'll do 4 and 5 / like in the middle. So somewhere in there, closer towards 4, but since we can't do 4.2 sock emojis, I'm going to just give it that. That's where I stand. They fit good. They look good. And I appreciate you stopping by. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new. If you ain't new, I rock with you. You're an original sock star. I appreciate you. And hit that bell down there. It's on the side. I'm pretty sure it's over there. I think I got this one on point. Hit the bell so you know when I drop new videos. I'm working on my schedule. I'm looking at Monday and Thursday. Those are going to be my posting days. So, until the next one, thanks again, TheShizKnits. Link in the description. Follow my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And also follow me, Life Through Socks. And also follow TheShizKnits on all the platforms. Because without them, this video wouldn't be possible. I appreciate them. I appreciate you. And until the next one, I will see you later.
It's life through